guys, welcome back to another new video. This video I'll show how to input Excel database. So just I'm click and open. I am already open Excel database, and now click file and open a file and browse and my click download folder, and this is my order with nulls documents. So click open and loading my data. So already added this. So this is the demo data and how to customize this. So now I'm just showing how to customize this. So now order line and 3 6 32 32. So I'm just click SL, just change and click here. So guys, now I'm just editing here and order number 1 and then click 6, delete and number 2 and hit enter. So now I'm just click shift and select 1 and 2 and the mouse cursor and drag and drop here and just click 13 row and click. Now order number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, just click 13 and this number 29 because and my first row order name and number 2 row and just serial 1. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video.